not a good angle. Is this better? That is a tad bit better. So I was going to do a little montage of me cooking dinner, but the fire alarm went off while I was like getting everything set up. So we had to go outside. It's better now, but that was a pain. Now dinner is in the oven, and I'm just cutting up, oops, pineapple. Because I got a pineapple. I actually did some grocery shopping this weekend, so we have some food. But yeah, I'm cutting out some pineapple now to have later. This weekend was fun. We went to an apple orchard and just like hung out. I hung out with family. You know the drill. I go home every weekend. I'm really focusing on this pineapple, guys. The thing I hate about fire drills or fire alarms is the hot neighbor was out there. Guys, I have a very hot neighbor. I mean, I wouldn't say like he's like god level, but he's hot. And this is what I was wearing. With pink Crocs, of course. Wasn't a good mix. You know what? But nothing's ever gonna happen there because I won't shoot my shot with him and he definitely won't shoot his shot with me. So we will just keep talking to other people because hot neighbor don't want to talk to me. With all that being said, I currently have no dating life. I did a little bit this summer. You guys were not informed about it, but I think I can inform everyone about it now. I went on a few dates, met a few people. Nothing really progressed. That's really it. One guy gave me COVID and then ghosted like right after. So there's that. This one still has some of the pricklies in it. Whatever, it's fine. See what I mean? We'll just get around it and then dump it later. But the only thing I hate about cutting pineapple is my skin gets all like slippery from it. You hurt me. But yeah, that's the update on my day in life. Yes, I was seeing a few people. Yes, I went on a few dates. Yes, I went on a couple dates with one person. Nothing progressed. Talk about my life. But no, that's pretty much it. Now we're just chilling. We're not really talking or seeing anyone. Just because I'm literally just, I don't know. I'm not interested in seeing anyone. Does that make sense? I'm gonna eat a little bit off of this. You are not much to eat. Oops, that doesn't go in there. Ah. It's like cutting slippery soap. I think tonight we're gonna watch the movie Thanksgiving. It's a horror movie. I still haven't finished it chapter 2, nor am I in the mood to sit down and watch it right now. So I think we're gonna watch Thanksgiving. And then I have a whole list. I wanna watch Practical Magic and I wanna watch the one with Johnny Depp. You guys know that one, the vampire one. I can't really just say the one with Johnny Depp because there's a lot of Halloween movies with Johnny Depp. Johnny Depp kind of owns that category. Ow! I think I just cut myself. But yeah, dinner's, like I said, in the oven. I'm making tater tot casserole. We are in Wisconsin over here, so it is casserole, not hot dish. You hear me? Casserole, not hot dish. Ah! Some things that need to get done today are I need to vacuum my floor because I drug in a bunch of grass when unloading my car the other day. And then I do need to I keep dropping stuff all over the floor. So I need to vacuum, and we need to get a wedding pricing list for photography done. I don't know if that's gonna get done today. I really need help with that. I'm really struggling. And then I need to edit another video. And then just chill out. It's kind of one of those, like, I'm like finally caught up and back on track on things. So now it's really just focusing on my mental health. If that makes any sense. Keeping caught up on like home chores because I haven't been. I don't know. I'm going to go see Kate in Green Bay this week. So that's going to be fun. I think that's going to be a good little break for me as well. Because I can't stay put in my apartment all the time. It's depressing. But yeah, I don't know what else to say about that. But yeah, I really last week got into cleaning and everything's like done. I kind of was like a cave of a person for a while, and I didn't get, like, I had put a suitcase away that has been sitting out for like 2-ish, 3-ish months now. And yeah, so I'm glad that's like coming back, but we'll see. Well, I cut my pineapple, so thanks for therapy with Emma while cutting pineapple. My hands are so sticky now. Let's go throw this pineapple rind away. And then we're just gonna wait for dinner to be made. Probably we'll end this segment here. Pineapple's going in the fridge. And do you know what we need to get out of the fridge? Muffins that I didn't finish eating from a couple weeks ago because they were good, but something about them was off. I don't know if I overcooked them or what, but they're sticky and dry, and I don't know. So yeah, let's do that. She's still 23 inside of fantasy. Yeah, this doesn't smell good anymore. We're gonna take this garbage out soon. I felt it in the last 2 days. Sitting in front of me. That's gotta get washed. Okay, so that's pretty much it. Yeah, we'll set a reminder to take that out like 4 hours and leave. But yeah, I'm gonna go now, and I'm just gonna chill for a little bit, and I'll catch up with you guys later. Hey guys, 1 second. Why are we so zoomed in right now? There we go. It's currently like 5:47. 1 second. It's currently 5:47. Honestly, today I filmed a TikTok.
And everywhere, because you're the most handsome, hot stuff guy in town. Hey, hot stuff.
It's currently 5:48 now. Honestly, I haven't really done a whole lot today. I took the garbage out, and now we're kind of just chilling. I watched Girl Haunts a Boy. It's new on Netflix. Has Peyton listen it. Really not that good of a movie. Probably meant for little kids. I didn't enjoy it. But yeah, I just opened a few boxes. I'm gonna take them out, and then we I have a whole bunch of summer clothes that is in my duffel that I need to put away, as well as laundry I need to fold. But I don't know if I want to get to it tonight. It's literally not even 6 o'clock yet, and I'm thinking about going to bed. I may turn on like Luca or something, but like I said, I really kind of want to get my laundry done. But I also don't at the same time. I do need to transport some videos to my hard drive, so that's gonna get done. And I want to start working on crocheting my bows that I picked up literally like 4-ish, like a month ago. The yarn for that, yeah, it's been about a month. I really want to get to crocheting those, but also it's October, it's nowhere near Christmas yet, but I do want to get to them. It's not going to take me that long, but I don't want to do today. Like, honestly, I haven't been feeling good this week. Like, my stomach has just been feeling off, so I may just make, like, I picked up this new protein powder. It's lemonade flavored. I want to give it a try. I may just have some of that tonight and call it good. Or tea. Maybe I'll do tea. Yeah, maybe like a peppermint. I'm not sure, honestly. Like I said, ready for bed. But yeah, maybe I'll make the lemonade protein powder, try it out, and then make tea in a little bit. Or not tea, or tea. Not sure. But that's where, this is an ugly angle. That's where I'm at. It's kind of just been one of those days. Yeah, laundry probably should get done. And I'll probably lose focus on it in the first 10 minutes of doing it. So, yeah, I probably should do that. Okay, we're gonna go fold laundry for a little bit. Let's go do that. Goodbye. Hey guys, laundry is in fact folded. It is not all put away, but it is in, what is going on with the focusing recently? But it is all folded. Duffel is also packed for the weekend, so we don't have to worry about that. But yeah, I just made this protein powder. I can't really make protein powder, but just protein drink. 1 second. I choked on it. I can't. Okay, so I just made that protein drink because my stomach honestly wasn't feeling great after dinner. I don't know what it is. I just got this spread. It's from Oath Nutrition and it's lemonade flavored. It's so good. Like, you can't even tell that's protein. So we'll be repurchasing that. Braided my hair. We have a little bit of flyaways, but that's fine. Probably shouldn't pull on it and make it worse, but I just did. Whatever. If it looks bad in the morning, I'll fix it in the morning. Anyways, now we're just gonna get ready for bed and just chill out. Almost done with Luca. Probably gonna finish it tonight. It's 7 o'clock. Like, I'm just like, want to go to bed, so we're gonna go to bed. That's pretty much it. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow I think I'm gonna go to Green Bay to visit Kate, if Kate ever answers me. But yeah, that's it for now. Hey guys, it's currently like 6:25ish, 6:30. There's people right next to me. We're going down. And I just got Wingstop. We're at TJ Maxx. I'm waiting for Kate to eat. Oh, she's always so slow and so late. But yeah, now we're just chilling, waiting for her. It's like almost dark out. Sunset is happening right now, and I'm not a fan. I hate this time of year where it gets dark early. We need to go back towards light all the time. But yeah, now we're just chilling. She like told me 10 minutes ago she was leaving, and she has yet to leave campus. She's still 10 minutes away, and she wants to go TJ Maxx, Burlington, and Goodwill, and all of them close at like 9 p.m. and we have yet to eat dinner at 6:30. Okay, what were you thinking? But yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna go. Hey guys, it's Thursday. I know I lacked on vlogging. I know. Anyways, I just want to do a little haul from yesterday. We just ate in the car and then went to TJ Maxx, Burlington, and Goodwill. But yeah, honestly, would have vlogged more, but I forgot. 1, 2, I'm also not feeling good today, so I just made a peppermint tea, and then I made more of that lemonade protein powder, but I'm pretty sure I'm just gonna make this for tomorrow, so stick it in the fridge, because honestly, it's been so busy at work that I have not been eating, so I'd rather just make sure that, like, I'm full of nutrients. Okay, so Burlington, you guys know I'm on my hunt for my Disney ears. Honestly, I would not pick these up in the parks. They were $3.50. They were $3.50, so I can't really complain. They're kind of ugly, all that much, but they were $3.50, and we will find a use for them. Yeah, got those, and then here's what I got from TJ Maxx. And you guys probably don't know, but you kind of do, because there is a sheep right there. Ignore all the advent calendar stuff, and I have a sheep puff right here. I love sheep, are one of like my top animals. It's elephant, sheep, llamas, all that. I found this sheep cardigan. It's perfect, like literally perfect. My mom will probably steal it, but because she loves sheep just as much as I do, if not more. But it's perfect. So there's my haul. Other than that, now I'm just chilling. Probably gonna go to bed soon. It's 6:30. Get ready for bed and just hang out in bed. I do want to watch Practical Magic, so I may turn that on for a little bit and watch that. If you can hear my ice maker, that's my ice maker. But yeah, other than that, it's kind of just been one of those weeks. Hopefully next week is better. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna drink my tea, go sit in bed and watch Practical Magic, so it's only 6:30, and then maybe around 7 do my little night routine and just go to bed. I'll see you guys probably next week, because nothing's gonna happen anymore. So goodbye.